Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. This dance is called Get It. It's choreographed by Amy Glass and Darren Bailey. It is a 4-wall, low intermediate dance, 32 counts. It does have one 16-count tag that we do 3 times. And I'm going to turn around. We're going to get going. Starting on your right leg at a diagonal to 130, you're going to step and go rock, recover, and a weave, back, side, front, side rock, recover, left, right, and a coaster step with a quarter turn to your left, getting you to 9 o'clock. Back, together, forward. Okay? So it's a cha-cha rhythm, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. First one is at an angle. We're going to do rock, recover, 3 and 4, side, 5, 6, coaster, 7, and 8. Keeping that same rhythm, we're going to step out at a diagonal forward, step, take the left foot out, step, and shuffle or triple back with your right foot leading, step, together, step. Reverse that by stepping back on your left foot at an angle, 1, stepping out, 2, and take it forward, cha, cha, cha. So we have forward angle out, triple to the back, rock it out left, triple to the front. Now that is choreographed on the step sheet as a shuffle, step together, step. When I watch both of the choreographers, one of them does keep it as an even shuffle, the other does a lock. So I guess it's up to taste, but I'll do it as a regular triple, okay? So one more time, that one goes diagonal out, cha, 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 diagonal out, cha, cha, cha. Same rhythm as the first count of 8. Third count of 8, I'll stay here and then I will go ahead and turn it around for you. You're going to do a rock, recover at a diagonal, cross rock, right, 2, step to your right and do step, touch, step, and do it on the left foot. Cross rock, recover, step, touch, step. The way that counts is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. Turn my back for you. You will have just finished your angle 3, 7, and 8, and we go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and you'll be here, okay? There's one more count of 8. Now when you're at this wall, you're going to come back to this wall on this new part. You're going to go all the way around. The footwork is literally right, left, cha-cha-cha, left, right, cha-cha-cha. So ideally, essentially, you're going to make your walks to do a quarter. I'm going to step my right foot about 1/8 of a turn, my left foot 1/8 of a turn, and I'm going to triple cha, 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 getting me about halfway around. I'm going to continue with that here, and I'm going to do another cha-cha to get all the way around. But ideally, I'm not going to finish here. I'm going to let my body kind of stay at this diagonal because that allows me to start my next part on the diagonal that I need for that. Okay? So it's walk, triple, making a full circle. We're going to take it with our right foot, going 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1 starts the dance again. All right? Let's go back to the beginning. Starting on your diagonal rock, recover, 6, 7, 8. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Side into your sailor, 6, 7, and 8. Take it out at an angle. Triple back. Take it back at an angle. Triple cross rock. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now I'm going to go ahead and give you it. We'll do it one more time at this side so you can see it at a little different angle. And then I'm going to show you where the tag is, which actually happens right here after you do it the first wall. But let's go through the choreo again. 6, 7, 8, angle 1, 2, 3, and 4. Side 5, coaster, Now take it out at an angle, triple back, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, 7, cross rock, goes 1, 2 and 3 and 4, cross 5, 6 and 7, walk it around, go right, left, cha, 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 left, right, cha, 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 and then you'd start again, okay? Now, this tag that happens 3 times happens in the very first round, okay? And it always happens at the end of the dance, so you don't have to drop anything. It happens at the end of wall 1, so we'll do it here before we do wall 2. We dance wall 2, we dance wall 3. At the end of wall 3, before we dance wall 4. At the end of wall 4, before we dance wall 5. So it happens literally in that first round, and then you keep dancing around one more time. So let me show it to you. So you would have just finished, your weight is on your left foot. Step forward on your right on 1, half a pivot to your left foot, 2, step out, out, right, left, and 3, hold 4. But get your weight on your right foot, because now you're going to do a pivot over your right shoulder, step left, quarter turn, right, left, right, hold. Now we go a pivot following your left shoulder. This is 3/4. Step your right foot to 6 o'clock, turn all the way over to 9, and do another right, left, same step, out, out, hold. And then this is our wall, heel switches 4 times, right and left, and right and left, and we start the dance. So one of the things that helped me when I was trying to remember the direction of those turns is that it goes back and forth. Handy hints from Candy. Your first turn goes over your left shoulder. Your second turn goes over your right shoulder. Your third turn goes over your left shoulder. Bump, bump. And it goes half, quarter, add those together and you get 3/4, and then you finish it with that. All right? So let's try it. You're facing 9 o'clock, 6, 7, 8, step left, right, left, hold, go to your right, hold, go to your left, hold, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. It's a little crazy, happens fast, but it really works well with the dance. So again, the first time you do it, you're here. You dance it at the end of wall 3, so we'll do it again at this wall. It'll be a half turn here, chomp, chomp. It'll be a quarter turn here, bump, bump. We gotta get all the way back to where we started. Heel, heel, heel. The last time we do it comes right away next at 12 o'clock. And then we finish the dance. Now, there's one more fun little thing. It kind of comes as a surprise. Towards the end of the dance, the last couple walls, the music gradually gets faster, and it gets really fast. And kind of reminds me of the dance Coastin'. If you remember that one gets faster as it goes along. So we're going to give this a try with some music, and hopefully you will enjoy it. Let's go for it. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, take it out.
I'm a renovator. If you're trying to
Coaster.
I'm a see you later. I'm a heat seeker. I'm a game changer. Making my moves down, pushing that space.
Cross rock, tap.
Things just quit. Can't afford to quit when you hit another
Walk it around.
right. Slow little
Cha, cha, cha. There's your tag, half turn.
If you really want it, then you get it.
Quarter. 3/4.
If you really want it, then you better go and get it. If you want it,
Start again. Out. Out. Cross. Walk it around. And we start again.
so I don't show. Make sure all
Turn
these
it.
fellas you know. Used to be
Out,
smiling,
out.
skies used to be shy, but now I
Cross it over.
I'm not stopping to fail. Nothing but room at the top of the nail. I'm so strong, I'm a hammer in the nail. Just like a
We're going to
tree.
go to our tag.
If you really want it, then you
Up. Quarter. 3/4.
Yes.
Yes. One more tag. Half. Quarter. right. We did it. So once again, that was called Get It, and that's choreographed by Amy Glass and Darren Bailey. My name is Candy Sherwin. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I would appreciate it if you would. And please share your thoughts, share the video, and just let everybody know about the channel. That'd be amazing. And I hope to see you very soon on the dance floor. Bye-bye.